Hello friends, this is Vinay, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make Windows 11 bootable USB stick using media creation tool. So let's get started. So first of all, we are going to download media creation tool. For that you need to launch your default web browser and you need to visit this page. I have already added the link in the description. This will take you to Microsoft Windows 11 download page. Now here you need to scroll down to this create Windows 11 installation media section. Here you need to click on download now button. This will download media creation tool for Windows 11. Now you need to run this tool. When UAC dialog box appear, click yes to continue. Here you need to click on this accept button. Select language and edition of Windows 11 bootable installation media. Out of the box tool suggest language and edition depending on the system configuration, but in case you are not satisfied with recommendation or you want to create installation media for other device, then you can uncheck this option and select language of your choice. Edition will be Windows 11 only. Click on next button. Now you'll be offered two options, USB flash drive and ISO file. As we want to make Windows 11 bootable USB stick, we'll go with this option. You can see that here it is clearly mentioned that it needs to be at least 8 GB. Select USB flash drive option and then click next. Now at this point you need to inject your USB stick to your device. Once done, you need to click on this refresh drive list and you can see that the Windows 11 setup has successfully directed my USB stick. Click on the next button and this will start installation media creation process. During this process, first the tool will download the latest version of Windows 11 from Microsoft, and then it is going to create bootable installation media of Windows 11. The whole process will take around 15 to 20 minutes depending on your internet speed, so you have to wait. Just to make this video short, I'm fast forwarding this process. So you can see that the process has been completed successfully. Your USB flash drive is ready, and depending on your requirement, you can either use it to install Windows 11 on your device or to perform in-place upgrade. So that's all about this video. If you have any queries, feel free to drop in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.